Hey everyone, in today's class we'll see how we can do the sum of three numbers which we have taken from the user. So for variable, I'll take number 1 is equal to int. I am using int because I want numbers without decimal. If I simply take input, it will give the values in string form. But I want to do the sum, so I have to convert it into integer. Okay, after taking first number, I'll just copy it and paste it thrice. So this is second number and this will become my third number. So here I have taken three variables and I have, with the help of input function, I am taking values from the user, enter number. I have written a string which is enter number and converting this number into integer with the help of this int function. After taking values, I'll take another variable, maybe add is equal to, I'll take no1 plus no2 plus no3, and now I will print the sum with the help of print function. So here I'll use sum of comma num1 comma num2 this variable has the sum of these numbers. So just save it, and if I run it, number 1 may be 23, this and these are the three numbers. So sum of 23, 34 and 56 is 113. So that's all for today's class. We'll see more such videos in our next class. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel for more such videos.